Beth, kung hindi ka inalagaan doon sa Maynila, dito patuloy ka namin aalagaan. At aalagaan namin ang iyong pamilya. Tatinuod lang. Your determination lives on, and your pure humility, the spirit of a champion who would apologize to opponents on the court, true Athenian sportsmanship, remains an enduring light that cannot be extinguished. And we promise we will not extinguish your light. Bobet, we entrust you to the God who formed you in your mother's womb in Agusan, the God who watched you grow in Davao, the God who welcomed you home when your race was done. Tell God we miss you. Tell God we will do better. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Bobet. Tinood lang. Tulad nagpamamahal sa bawat estudyante at magiging estudyante namin. Sabi ko sa iyo noon, at sa mga naging estudyante ko, at sa mga team, sabi ko sa inyo, hanggang kamatayan itong pagmamahal. Wala man ko na sa iyo nga, kaning kamatayon kay, abi na ako mauna. Ikaw di ay. At again, hindi po ako nagbibiro. So paalam anak, hanggang sa muli.